In this video, we're going to be going over how to pin a TikTok to the top of your profile. So what you're going to need to do is open the TikTok app, and you're going to need to go over to profile on the bottom right. So that's where we currently are. We're on our profile. Now, what the pinned videos look like, if you see the top three on this feed right here, in the top left of those little thumbnails, it'll say pinned. You can pin up to 3 videos right here. So if you want to do this with any of your posts, all I'd have to do is, let's say I want to pin this one right here. I'm going to click into my video here, and I'm going to click the 3 dots on the very bottom right here, and it's going to pull up some options. And if I look at the very bottom right here, this row, I'm going to see something that says pin. And if I click pin, you can see it tells me you can only pin up to 3 videos. But if I clicked that, it would then automatically pin the video up here to the top 3. And if I ever wanted to edit a pinned video and I didn't want that same one there anymore, I can click the 3 dots and you can see the option to unpin as well. So that's how you can pin your videos to the top of your TikTok feed.